Okay, so for this tutorial I'll make a number of chain. It should be a multiple of 2 whenever you start any project, so I will only chain 20 for the demonstration. Just to let you know before we start, you need to take your time with this pattern or stitch. It's very easy to do, but you need to follow clearly the tutorial and you'll be able to achieve it just like I did, because even for me, I learned it recently and I wanted to share it with you. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. So what we'll do for the first and the second row, it's very basic. We'll do one row of single crochet, and the next row will be double crochet. So on the second chain from my hook, I will make one single crochet and single crochet in every chain till the end of my row. Okay, and now this is my last stitch. That's it, one row is complete. Now I'll be chaining 2, 1 and 2. I'm only chaining 2 for the double crochet because I don't want the sloppy sides or like uneven ones, so chain 2 will keep it straight and neat. So in the first chain, in the first stitch, which is this one over here, I will make one double crochet. And one double crochet in every stitch. Okay, 2 more double crochet, one before the last, and okay, so this is the last double crochet of this row. And now I'll turn my work. I'll chain 1 first, turn my work. So I've got 1 row of single crochet, 1 row of double crochet, and now I'm gonna do another row of single crochet. So 1 single crochet in the first stitch over here and in every stitch. Just single crochet until the end of this row. And the last single crochet of this row. Now before turning, I will chain 2 and turn my work. Okay, now we're gonna start working on the double crochet stitches. I'm gonna do front post double crochet and normal double crochet. So starting with the first double crochet, which is this one, this is the chain 2, this is the double crochet. I'm gonna yarn over, bring my hook behind the double crochet and work a double crochet, making sure the thread is large enough to reach this height. Now I've got this previous single crochet or previous stitch. Okay, it's on top of the second or next double crochet. I'm gonna do a normal double crochet. Oops, it's a double crochet. Okay, so this one. Now on to the next double crochet. We skipped this where we did the normal double crochet. The next one, front post double crochet. Okay, So you see, one front post, one normal double crochet, one front post and normal double crochet, and like this we alternate till the end of this round. So now it's a normal double crochet on the next stitch, and the next one front post, oops, double crochet, a normal double crochet, and front post double crochet. So it's very easy to follow. Just take your time while doing this row, especially if you're a beginner, because it might be confusing. There is one stitch behind this front post. We do not work on that one, we work on the next one. It's all double crochet and front post. So this one, you need to make sure at the end of your work we have one front post, one normal, one front post, one normal. So one by one. Just review at the end of the row to see that you did the work right. Okay, normal double crochet, and I've got my last double crochet here, which will be a front post double crochet, okay, and a last double crochet inside this stitch, the last one over here. Oops, it's a double crochet. Okay, now I will chain one and I will repeat another row of single crochet. So one single crochet in the first stitch over here and in every stitch. Okay, here I'm at the end of the row. I did a single crochet in the last stitch, and then I will add another single crochet in this chain 2 space to close this row. So now coming on to the next row, I'm gonna chain 2 and turn my work. So you see here we started the alpine stitch, then we did the one single crochet row. So what we're gonna work, before we did one front post stitch and one normal double crochet. So now where we did before, which is here, the front post stitch is gonna be a normal double crochet, and the previous normal double crochet will be the front post double crochet. So yarn over, work my normal double crochet over here, yarn over, and bring my hook behind the previous normal double crochet and work my front post double crochet like this. Same thing, previous front post, one single crochet, okay, which is this one, it's just behind the front post double crochet previously. You can see them sometimes on the side, so it's on this side, and this is the normal previous double crochet. I'm gonna do a front post. like this, okay, and a normal double crochet, normal double crochet, and a front post. You will continue the same till the end of this row. Okay, so here I have finished my row, and one thing you need to know, I've got an extra double crochet here because of the chaining 2. So you should normally finish with only one double crochet on top of the previous front post, or you should finish with the front post double crochet depending on how many stitches you did, but I had to finish with 2 double crochet because the last one, as I said, was a chain 2, previous chain 2. So now it is repetitive. What you're gonna do on top is again 1 row of single crochet, and then you repeat back the front post stitch double crochet and a normal double crochet, depending what was the previous one, so you alternate. I hope it was easy and helpful and easy to understand. Let me know what you think, or if you need any further explanation, let me know in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.